I totally forgot what I was saying. Hey everyone, it's Vlad with Check the Tech, and this is the Google Home Mini. It's Google's affordable smart home speaker with a built-in AI-powered digital assistant. Here we have it in the exclusive coral color that you can only get by purchasing it on the Google Store online. Let's rewind a little and check the tech in the box. The tech inside includes a Wi-Fi AC antenna that can connect to a 2.4 or 5 GHz network, a Bluetooth 4.1 module, a 360-degree speaker with a 40mm driver, mics for far-field voice recognition. So what does this all mean? Let's start with sound. The 40mm driver speaker provides good sound quality and loud volume for its size. Now for the audiophiles, it's not providing top-notch sound quality that rivals that of Bose, Sonos, or Bang & Olufsen. This is a $49.99 speaker we're talking about. And with that being said, this is the best sound quality and volume I've heard from any entry-level smart home speaker for its price and size. The design is nice and simple. I really dig this exclusive coral color. But if coral isn't your thing, you can also get it in black and white. The design is discreet enough for it to be hidden out of the way and or wall mounted, which I really like. Instead of having a bolder design that is almost demanding to be the center of attention. Now, because of smartphones, tablets, and streaming devices, manufacturers have been introducing us to digital assistants like Alexa, Siri, Cortana, and Clippy. I had to throw in an OG from back in the day. Google has been sporting one on Android phones, Chromebooks, and Google Search for a while now, but it doesn't have a personified name. It's called Google Assistant, and it listens for key phrases like, "Hey Google," or "Okay Google." After you say the magic words, you'll see an illumination of Google Assistant listening and processing your request. In general, AI is going to be the X factor for any smart home speaker, because it's all about how smart it is. You know, if it's got skills. What separates Google Assistant's intelligence from all of the others is that it's powered by Google Search, the most widely used search engine in America at the moment. That means it knows a lot of answers to a lot of questions that people have asked. And in turn, Google Assistant has a lot of information to deliver to you at an instance's notice. Setup is super easy on an iOS device or Android device. You just need to download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You just have to be on the same Wi-Fi network as the speaker. The app has great suggestions for things to try with your smart home speaker, and an area of skills for smart products and services that Google Assistant can connect to. The Home Mini can play music from Spotify, Pandora, Google Play Music, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, and YouTube Music at the moment. All in all, this is a great entry-level smart home speaker. It's powered by Google Search, and Google Assistant is smart. And your assistant gets smarter when you use it with the Google account. And the beauty of the Mini is the price. It's $49.99, and you can buy a ton of them and place them everywhere. In a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, home office, if you're really into having a fully connected home. Now, if you have privacy concerns, Google includes a physical mute switch on the device, or you can just unplug it. Thanks for watching this episode of Check the Tech. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button below and subscribe if you're new here. Also, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below in the comment section, and I'll try to get to them as fast as I can. I can see you.